Hey guys, John Lyons here, taking a break on the afternoon of the opening day of the 2013 Kentucky turkey season. Got a little video of my dad's hunt this morning. Not much footage to it because it happened so quick. Blew a hole in the blind, killed a turkey, and we didn't get much footage. The bird was coming in right to the decoy, but he was so excited, and I don't blame him. It's only his second bird, and it was a nice 2-year-old. So he was tickled to death. So I think you'll like this video. We might get a double here.
Get your gobbler out there mixed up.
Dad just killed his second turkey, blew a hole in the blind, and I barely got on film. I'll have to bleep out some words.
He was running. I was ready to take off.
But I know where John Parker gets his quickness on the trigger now, and his aptitude for blowing holes in blinds. I've just witnessed it for the third time.
Blew the $70 blind.
But it was a good hunt already, and we haven't been here 10 minutes. I bet it's not even 7:30 yet. So we're gonna get this big boy here in a minute. See what he looks like. Make sure there's no other ones coming in before we do it. Let's go get it. Guys, we're trying to be quiet because we're going to get this turkey and see what it looks like, but at the same time we don't want to scare others off. Dad's second gobbler ever. He's 71. Pretty proud moment for me. Hell, I think he blew his beard off. No, he didn't. Look at there. Hold him up there. It's a pretty proud moment for me. It's a good 2-year-old bird. He got 2-year-old spurs for sure. Nice bird. Come back here.
Heavy that sucker is.
I know, he's a good one. Your dad and his beautiful bird. Nice 2-year-old. Awesome.